Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Friday the 13th of September. So taking a look at tomorrow's weather map, we can see a strong cold front crossing Tasmania. Now that's going to usher in a cool, showery, wintry airstream from later tomorrow going into the weekend, which is expected to push across the mainland over the weekend as well, with a bit more of that cooler, showery weather developing. Also tomorrow we do have areas of showers through northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland. They'll mainly impact the coasts and ease back later in the day. Much of the remainder of Australia is dominated by this high pressure system sitting to the south of the continent, with cool, dry southeasterly flow pushing up and across the country. Let's take a closer look at that story now, state by state, starting with Queensland. So we are expecting morning fogs along the east coast once again, mainly between Cardwell and Bundaberg, that may lead to some hazardous driving conditions at times. It will be a dry and mostly sunny day following across much of Queensland, except for in the southeast, where we do have that chance of a shower continuing through the day, mostly about the coastal parts and likely to ease back later on in the day, but still a bit of wet weather on the way there. Brisbane is heading for a shower or two, easing, top of 23 degrees. For New South Wales, it'll be a cool and frosty start across southeastern parts of the state. You can see Canberra expected to drop down to -1 degree overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, but we will see dry and sunny conditions continuing through the day across western, northern and southeastern parts of New South Wales. A little bit cloudier up the east coast, however, with those showers across the northeast. Now Sydney is looking at a partly cloudy day, top of 19 degrees. Canberra, after a bit of a frosty start, a sunny day with a top of 18. For Victoria, a few morning frosts north of the ranges with some very cool overnight temperatures, partly cloudy skies south of the ranges with a few showers developing through the day. Melbourne is looking at a possible shower or two, top of 17 degrees tomorrow. For Tasmania, we'll see that cold front moving through during the day, bringing in a cold southerly flow later in the day in particular. That means we are likely to see showers throughout tomorrow, more widespread across western parts of the state, more scattered through the eastern and central areas. But we're also likely to see the possibility of small hail later in the day tomorrow, with the snow level dropping right down as well, down to around 700 metres by tomorrow night, likely dropping even lower into the early hours of Saturday morning. Hobart is looking at a showery top of 15 degrees tomorrow with some even cooler weather on the way for the weekend. To South Australia now, we are going to see some morning frosts across parts of the Eyre Peninsula and the southeast, but a dry and generally sunny day will follow. We're just looking at the very slight chance of a shower across those southernmost parts of the lower southeast district later in the day. Adelaide, after a cool start, is heading for a partly cloudy top of 18 degrees. In the west now, dry, sunny and generally warm conditions will dominate. Certainly around the Perth area, we're looking at a sunny top of 28 degrees tomorrow. We might see a little bit of cloud building with a few patchy showers about the southern coastlines late tomorrow as a front approaches, but it's unlikely to push too far inland. Finally, for the Northern Territory, we are going to see some cool weather pushing up across the south. You can see Alice Springs is only expected to reach 24 degrees tomorrow. But through those central and northern parts of the territory, warm, dry and sunny weather will continue. We've got dry, hot afternoons on the way, particularly across the top end and around the Darwin area, heading for a sunny top of 36 degrees tomorrow. Also be on the lookout for further elevated fire dangers through the day tomorrow that may trigger more warnings. Now you can find the detailed forecast for your location via the Bureau's website or the BOM social media. Have a good day and we'll see you tomorrow.